Hey folks, I'm Melany, and I got this thing today at NAPA Auto Parts. I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to use it for, but I know I've got to fix a flat, so let's figure it out. I've got John from NAPA Auto Parts. He's actually going to show me how to fix my flat.
First thing to do, identify where the hole is. Use your pair of pliers, extract the screw out of the hole, use your reamer, clean it up so nothing gets stuck back in there. Once you've got your needle threader, put your plug onto the needle threader, apply the cement around it, put it in the hole, give it a twist, pull it out, and you're all good.
Okay, so now that John showed me how to fix my flat, I'm actually going to try it myself. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some cardboard to protect the driveway. So I'm going to take this thing here and secure the tire between my legs so it's easier to take this out. So you can try to pull it or twist it in my case. I'm going to need a snack after this. Taking all my energy. Okay, got it. So once this is removed, I'm going to use a grinder to make sure my hole is well cleaned in an up and down motion to take any dirt out. And I'm going to leave this inside so the air doesn't come out of the tire while I'm preparing the thread. And I'm just going to flatten the tip so it's easier to get in there. And now I'm going to put some cement on the thread. Whoops. And this glue smells really strong, so you probably want to be outdoors if you're going to use it. So now this is full of glue. I'm going to take this out. And I'm going to position it on top of the hole. Push it in hard as I can. Okay. Now you twist it and you pull it out. You're going to cut the excess afterwards, like this. And I'm gonna add a little bit of cement on top so it squishes all together into the tire. And you're pretty much done. So that's how you fix a flat. So John, how did I do?
Well, Melanie, it looks good from here. Is it as easy as I made it look and it looks on YouTube?
The steps are easy. I think the hardest part is actually taking the screw out and adding the little thread inside.
You're right about that. Sometimes it's going to be tricky. Always make sure that the hole is clean. You can put your plug back in and then you're good to go.
Thanks, John.
You're welcome.
So I'm Melany, and I fixed a flat for the first time.